Hi guys, Don here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the 160 gigabyte Apple iPod Classic in silver. Now I've already went ahead and opened up this packaging and used it, but I wanted to go ahead and just do an open box review on the silver one because there isn't that many out there. So here we have the iPod Classic. Comes in a box. Shows you a picture on the side there, and iPod Classic there. 160 gigabyte and 160 gigabyte there. On the back it just has all the information, what it includes, iPod Classic and so forth, UPC, serial number, all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And there we have the iPod Classic in silver, still in the plastic. I don't want to take it out until I get the case. So we got a side view there. The back, Apple iPod with the logo. And 160 gigabyte down there. Side view there. Top view has the slider and lock button there, and the headphone jack on this side here. And on the bottom we have the 35 pin standard connector that you can use here. Go ahead and set that aside. So the rest of the packaging we have is just your standard Apple instructions, stickers, and Privacy Act, so forth. So in the box you get the standard iPod charger, 35 pin. You get a universal dock connector to use with iPod alarm clocks and stereos and so forth. So it's just a tray that makes it universal. And then it also comes with Apple earphones. They're not the new AirPods or anything, but the new AirPods will work with this iPod Classic. And so that's it. That's pretty much the unboxing of the 160 gigabyte iPod Classic in silver. Thanks for watching.